We can all appreciate a spa or hot tub. It provides us with a relaxed feeling. Oils, dirt, and calcium float around and want to attach to the surface of a hot tub. Chlorine and bromine can kill bacteria, but they can't do this when bacteria is protected and chlorine and bromine can't get to it. If you don't remove the sediment buildup, the spa components such as filters, pumps, heaters, ozonators, or blowers won't stand the test of time. However inconvenient this may seem, there is a solution: O-Care. O-Care will prevent and remove sediment buildup. So O-Care is safe, soft, and simple. Safe because you'll use less chlorine and bromine. Soft, your skin will feel soft and smell very nice. Simple, just add it to the spa once a week. So O-Care will make your spa experience more natural and a lot better.